According to National Electrical Code, NEC Article 700.12b, a grounded conductor is required for fire pump transfer switches supplied by a grounded power system. Since the utility supply is a 480/277 volt service, this indicates a grounded power system. In a grounded power system, the neutral conductor is grounded at the service entrance. The NEC requires the enclosure of a fire pump transfer switch marked for use as service equipment to be bonded to the grounded conductor. This is to ensure a low resistance path for fault currents and to prevent shock hazards. The electrical engineer may be arguing that the grounded conductor is not needed because the fire pump transfer switch is not the service equipment. However, the enclosure is still marked for use as service equipment, which triggers the NEC requirement for a grounded conductor. Based on the NEC requirements, the electrical contractor should provide a grounded conductor for the fire pump transfer switch and bond it to the enclosure. The electrical engineer's argument that it is not needed is likely based on a misunderstanding of the code requirements. The grounded conductor should be sized according to NEC Article 250.122. The bonding jumper between the grounded conductor and the enclosure should be sized according to NEC Article 250.102d. Local amendments to the NEC may also apply.